Are sensory deprivation tanks dangerous? Truth explained. Imagine floating in a dark, silent chamber, weightless and free from all sensory input. It sounds peaceful, but some wonder if it could be risky. Sensory deprivation tanks, also called floatation tanks or isolation tanks, are designed to block out sights, sounds, and even gravity. They are filled with warm water mixed with a lot of Epsom salt, which makes you float effortlessly. Most users find them relaxing and beneficial, but are they safe for everyone? That's what we're here to find out. For most people, sensory deprivation tanks are quite safe. The tanks are built with safety features like internal alarms and easy-to-open doors, so you can get out anytime. The water is kept at body temperature, which helps prevent shock or discomfort. Since the water is highly salted, it keeps you buoyant, so drowning is almost impossible unless you are under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or sedatives. These substances can impair your ability to respond or escape, increasing the risk of drowning. Certain health conditions mean you should avoid float tanks. If you have open wounds, skin infections, or contagious diseases, the salt water could irritate your skin or spread germs. People with ear tubes or ear infections should be cautious, as salt water can cause pain or worsen infections. Those with epilepsy or mental health issues like hallucinations should also be careful, because sensory deprivation can sometimes trigger seizures or intensify hallucinations. It's best to consult a healthcare provider if you have any doubts. Psychological effects can vary. Some users experience anxiety, panic, or claustrophobia because of the enclosed, dark environment. Others might feel dizzy, nauseous, or confused after a session. Skin irritation from the salt or feeling disoriented are also possible. While many find float tanks helpful for reducing stress and improving mood, they are not suitable for everyone. If you feel uncomfortable or have a history of mental health issues, it's wise to start with short sessions and see how you respond. From a scientific perspective, sensory deprivation tanks produce strange effects on the mind. The lack of sensory input can lead to altered states of consciousness, vivid hallucinations, or unusual bodily sensations. Some people report feeling like they are floating in space or experiencing time distortions. These odd effects make float tanks a fascinating tool for exploring how the brain processes sensory information and consciousness. In summary, sensory deprivation tanks are generally safe when used correctly. The main dangers come from impaired judgment, skin or ear issues, or psychological reactions. Following safety guidelines and listening to your body can help you enjoy the benefits safely. For those curious about the strange effects on perception and mind, float tanks offer a unique experience that reveals just how quirky and mysterious our consciousness can be.